viewers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with chapter number 7 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is adjectives. So what are adjectives basically? Adjectives are the words that are used to describe our nouns, right? जो भी words हमें nouns के बारे में कुछ चीज extra बताते हैं, उन्हें हम adjectives के नाम से जानते हैं. So, to know us more, let us read the chapter and continue. An adjective is a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun. So, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि adjectives जो हैं वो ऐसे words हैं जो use किए जाते हैं describe करने के लिए एक noun को या फिर एक pronoun को, right? So, here we have Nimmi is a beautiful bird. The dog is a faithful animal. He is an honest man. He is poor but happy. Mr. Purab is an old man. She is a kind lady. So, in the above sentences, beautiful, faithful, honest, poor, happy, old, and kind are the words which describe the nouns or pronouns. ऊपर जितने भी sentences हैं उन सभी में ये जो words हैं beautiful, faithful, honest, poor, happy, old और kind, ये सभी words हैं जो describe करते हैं nouns को और साथ ही साथ pronouns को भी. So these are adjectives. तो इसीलिए हम इन्हें adjectives के नाम से जानते हैं, right? Moving ahead. Now they have described the kinds of adjectives. तो जल्दी से kinds of adjectives को पढ़ते हैं एक बार. Adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives, right? After that, हमें यहाँ पर हर adjective के kind को describe किया हुआ है. So पहला है adjectives of quality. अब ये adjectives of quality क्या है? जल्दी से जानते हैं. So, these adjectives show the quality of a person, place, animal or thing. तो ये adjectives हमें quality show करते हैं किसी person, place, animal या फिर thing की, right? Words like big, small, large, black, beautiful, ugly, handsome are all adjectives of quality because they tell us about the kind of nouns, right? ये सभी words adjectives माने जाते हैं क्योंकि ये हमें बताते हैं kinds of nouns के बारे में, right? So, Delhi is a big city. This is a beautiful flower. Prakash is a tall boy. So, in the above sentences, big, beautiful, and tall are the adjectives of quality. तो ऊपर sentences में जितने भी words दिए गए हैं, highlighted ones, they all are the adjectives of quality, right? Next, we have the adjectives of quantity. अभी adjectives of quantity क्या है? Let us read them also. These adjectives mention the quantity of a noun and answer the question how much. तो ये adjectives mention करते हैं noun की quantity को और answer करते हैं question को जिसका answer है how much, right? Words like much, little, enough, sufficient are adjectives of quantity. ये सभी जैसे कि like, little, enough, sufficient ये सभी adjectives of quantity है, right? Examples: I have lots of money. There is a little milk in the bottle. There are some biscuits in the jar. So, in the above sentences, lots, little, and some are the adjectives of quantity, right? Next topic is adjectives of number. अब ये adjectives of number क्या है? So, these adjectives tell how many nouns are mentioned. तो ये adjectives हमें बताते हैं कि कितने nouns यहाँ पर mention हुए हुए हैं. They answer the question how many. ये हमें आंसर करते हैं क्वेश्चन जो कि है how many यानी कि कितने. Words like 10, several, most, many, a few are adjectives of numbers. तो ये सभी words हमारे adjectives of numbers हैं, right? Examples: a hand has 5 fingers. Next, you don't see many birds in the city, right? Next, there are 50 students in our class. So, in the above sentences, 5, many, and 50 are the adjectives of numbers, right? Let's move ahead. So, here we have the next kind, that is demonstrative adjectives. तो अब demonstrative adjectives कौन से हैं? So, these adjectives point out some person or thing and answer the question which. तो ये adjectives point out करते हैं कुछ लोगों को या फिर कुछ चीजों को जो आंसर करती है question, that is which. This, that, these and those are demonstrative adjectives, right? तो ये जितने भी words हैं ये सभी हमारे demonstrative adjectives हैं, right? Examples: these kites are mine. This boy is very intelligent. Those grapes are sour, right? Next that we have is interrogative adjectives. तो अब interrogative adjectives के बारे में बात करते हैं. So these adjectives are used to ask questions. तो ये adjectives वो हैं जिन्हें हम questions पूछने के लिए use करते हैं. Words like what, whose and which are interrogative adjectives. तो ये words जैसे कि what, which, whose ये सभी interrogative adjectives में काम किए जाते हैं. Examples: whose bat is this? What kind of boy is he? Which shirt do you like? Right? After that, the last that we have is possessive adjectives. तो अब possessive adjectives क्या हैं? Let us read them. These adjectives are used to show possession. ये adjectives use किए जाते हैं possession दिखाने के लिए. Possession यानी कि रिश्ता, relationship दिखाने के लिए, right? So the examples are these cups. These are their cups. I shall do it on my own. This is my book, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are getting all the concepts very clearly. So now you all are clear with the adjectives also as well as its kinds also. So that was all from my side for the chapter. I hope you all got the things really well. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.